going to show you in this video how to use Elementor. Elementor is a very powerful front-end editor through which you can develop any website without knowing much code. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Elementor, and step by step I will be showing you how to create a website through Elementor. So first let's do one thing. Let's download WordPress. Okay, sorry, let's start here. Let's download WordPress from here, and before that I'm going to start my XAMPP. So that one is in my C drive. Let me start my XAMPP here. And you need to start MySQL as well. So in this video actually I'm not going to show you how to install WordPress. The idea is here to show you Elementor. So I hope that and I expect that you already know how to install WordPress, but in anyway I'm going to install WordPress as well. So actually this is WordPress, not this WordPress download. Okay, we need to download the WordPress. And finally we have already started my XAMPP, so I'm going to download this latest version 6.1.1, and then finally it's downloading. So after downloading I just unzip this. WordPress, yeah, this one, and then just copy this. I'm going to save this into XAMPP folder. XAMPP, then htdocs here, and then so let's check if the folder WordPress already exists or not. Yeah, it doesn't exist, so just I'll paste here. Alright, now what I'll do, I'll name it as Elementor so that I can understand that okay, so it is related to Elementor. WP Elementor, WP Elementor, or simply let's keep it okay, WP Elementor. Okay, so this is the folder name, just I'm going to name it. Now let's open the browser and localhost, then not this one, localhost, and then this one, slash this. Alright, now it will ask me the user and password of the database. So what I need to do, I'll open here localhost, and then php my admin. Just I'm going to create one database here. So once again I'm going to name it as Elementor, right? Okay, just leave it. And now here database name will be Elementor. The username is my username here is different, but normally what happens in localhost root, you need to write here root and password blank and then localhost. But in my case it is different, so don't follow me, you follow this one. Okay, the database name and root and password blank and leave everything as it is. But in my case, the username is probably different. My admin, yeah, and then 13. This is my user and password. Okay. So, but you don't write this one. You just write root and here blank password. Okay, there seems to be some mistake in database user password. Let me check in my other website. So let's try once again. My admin and Angular 13. Yes, in localhost and 3008. My port number is different. You don't need to mention here port number. This is my port number, so you don't need to mention port number. You leave this blank and you keep localhost. Okay. All right. So now finally it's going to install. So I'll write here Elementor tutorial. Okay. Username, just I'm going to keep it admin so that I can remember it easily. But in case you are doing this on server, you should of course keep a complex password. So just I'm confirming here, and let's keep it and discard this for the time being. Not required. So let's install. Okay, finally now it's installed. Okay, so admin is already there. So now it's not required for the time being. Okay, so finally brand new WordPress is installed. What I'll do, uh, I'll first install here Elementor plugin. So let's go to the plugin and then add new and click here Elementor. This is very popular, or you can search in Google and you can download from here also. This is the same Elementor website builder. Okay, this one, this plugin. I'll just write here. So this is the actual plugin. Okay, I'll install it. Okay, once you install, then you need to activate the plugin. So successfully now I installed and I activated as well. Now it asks you for configuration. It asks you to create account to upgrade. Okay, for the time being I'm not going to upgrade. So what I will do, I'll simply click on skip and then continue with the hello theme. All right, so I will select my theme later. Let's skip it. So simply once again site name. I've already given site name, so let's skip it as well. Logo I will upload later. Skip. So now skip it as well. I will create my own home page. Okay. Or okay, not fine. All right. So this is the interface of Elementor. What I will do, I'll go to here in admin, and then you can see Elementor here. Okay, so this is the basic version of Elementor. Now what I'll do, I will go to all pages here, and then I will create one home page. I will name it as home. Simply let's name it home and publish. Okay, now you have two options. Either you can use Gutenberg, which comes inbuilt with WordPress, or now you can see here it is written edit with Elementor. So if you want to edit with Elementor, then you can edit from Elementor as well. So click this, and then it will take you to the front section of this page. Initially, I will show you a very basic one. Now, just click here, and then you are shown here that what kind of boxes you require. Okay, so what I'll do first, I will click on this one. You can see this one is coming here. Now you are given here option boxed or full width. So what kind of this box you require? Okay, I will keep it full width. That means it will come full width. So now how much gap? No gap at all. Okay, height should be fit to screen, minimum, middle. So there are a lot of options you can experiment with this. Stretch section. Okay, this is fully stretchable. That means complete this one. So let's keep it as it is. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll click here and put element. That means what I want to keep here. Okay, so what I'll do first, I will keep here banner. So I'll drag it here. I will select image and drag. You can see this image came here. If you want to change image, you go to here and then select any banner you want. For example, I want to select any banner. Let me check this banner. Okay. Okay. Actually, this one is very big. So wanted to. Anyway, you can see here there are different options you are provided. Large, medium. So what kind of banner you want to keep here? Remember, I'm just showing you the basic option currently, and later in further video I will show you how to create the complete uh, one page website. Okay, now if I update here, and then check into home page, so now you can see it will display like this. Okay, all right, now I will put here three boxes. I want to put here three boxes below. So what I'll do, once again, edit with Elementor. You can see site edit and theme builder. So I will site edit. Once again I came back here. Now I want to add one more element here. Okay, so just I'll click here and I will take this time three boxes. Or you have other option, you can see here insert section. Okay, so just if you drag here, then automatically it will come. So it is showing you layout boxed. Once again, which kind of box you want to keep here. Okay, so this is the section here. Currently I'm just deleting. Now I want to put whatever I want. Okay, so in this case what I'll do, I will put here heading, text heading. So I'll write here welcome to my website. Okay, now it's done, and then again I want to put another section. So I'll just copy here, or you have another option. You can put something above this. Okay, if you want to put here. So in this case, what I will do, I'll put here 3 columns box. Okay, so in the first box, what I'll do, I'll go here in the element section, and then I'll insert this time text editor. First one, so I'll write here website design, and then if you want a good website design, contact us, like this. And this heading you can either put bold or heading 2, so you can create something like this. Now in the second box I will put something else. So in this case I will write here website development, and below we provide user friendly website development services. So once again what I'll do, I'll put it h2 tags and may bold also. And now finally our third section is remaining. So in this section as well I will drag here editor, and I will write here digital marketing services. Once again I'll write here, if you want cost effective digital marketing services, you are simply, let's just keep up to here. Okay, then once again what I will do, I will just make it h2 tag, and then now finally I will update it. And if you want to check, then once again I will come back here and I can see these 3 boxes. Now as you can see there is problem. I want to make it stretched, right, because it is very compact, so it's overlapping to each other. So what I'll do, I will make it spaced one. So what you will need to do, you go back here, and this is the main container. So we have 3 boxes, right? Box 1, box 2, box 3, but there is one container box, the main box. So what you need to do, you just click on these 6 points. Okay, click on this, then you will be taken here. Now you can see it is box, so you click on this and it will ask you to make it full width. And most important what you need to do, still you can see I chose here full width, but the thing is that if you check this, then it didn't change at all, still it is looking ugly. So what you will have to do, just click on this one. You can see guys, now it is fully stretched section. Now update, and if you check here, then you can see the box is here. Now you can adjust this with padding, and so if you go style, click here style. So rather than going to style, you go to advanced, and then padding, margin, whatever you want, you can put here. So what I will do, I will take here padding top, padding right, and then let's put padding here. Padding right is coming, and also you can see if you change one of the padding, then it changes to all. Okay, so let's do one thing. First reset to 0. Yeah, and then just click on this one. So what will happen if you want to change any one of the padding, then you can do from here. So you can see it's coming now. Left side, it's coming like this. It's more. Yeah, now update this, and then if you check, so guys, you can see now it looks better. Remember, in this video I'm just showing you the basic use of basic elements. In later video I will show you how to create whole designed, fully designed website. This, okay, this one, this image actually, let's remove it, and we will add here one more carousel. Okay, so let's go here, click on this, and now we will add here one carousel, that means slider. So this one you have understood, this one is for column, this one is for heading, this is for text, this is image, this is video. In case if you want to insert here video, then you can see this one is coming here. You can directly insert here YouTube video. So let's see. So if I want to replace this video, then what I'll do, there is one video called custom post type. So I want to embed this bit, this video here. So just I'll replace with this one. Guys, you can see this video is now appearing here. So this way, if I update, then see the preview, I can see this video as well. Now let's add another section here, and in this section we can add some other things. We can add here button. You can see this is the button, and inside the button you can provide here the link. Okay, after clicking, where the user will be redirected to. So suppose I want to take my user to here. So in that case, what I will do, which one was that actually, this one here. So I will just place the link here. Okay, and then also you can put here alignment. Suppose you want to keep it center or right, justified. So this one is the big one. Okay, suppose if you want to keep it in center, then so there are different alignment options here as well. Also the button size will be how, medium, large, and then extra large. So what kind of button you need, actually you can decide from here. Apart from that, you can also upload here icon. Okay, so if you have any icon in your library, then you can upload icon here. For the time being I don't have any icon, so that's why I'm not going to upload any icon here. But if you click on here, then there are different icon library which you can use. So suppose I'm going to use this one, custom, and then insert. So you can see there is icon here. So this way guys, you can use this button. Now suppose if you want to change, remember whenever you put any element, there are three options here. The first one is here content, and then after that styling. Suppose you want to change its color, so you can change the color from here. Suppose I want to keep it to red, pink button rather than that, then apart from that you can also pick the color exactly which one you want. So you can do that one also. Okay, and this one is, this is the color I have just taken. Okay, apart from that there are different color, just like Bootstrap: primary color, secondary color, text, accent. These are inbuilt color. Apart from that you can take it custom color, text color and background color as well. This is the white color, text color. This is white. By default it is white. But if I want to take it a just bit or black, in that case I can change the text color as well. So background color as well as text color you can change from here. Also this is gradient. This is classic. So margin, padding, all the things are here. How the padding will be like this. Okay, so as you can see, it is really very easy to customize buttons through Elementor. And this is in normal state. When user will click on hover, in that case what will happen? So the border color and the text color will be how. So you can decide from text color. So when user will click, the hover text should be white. Background color should be different after clicking. Suppose if user clicks on this, then it will be darker. So this is the thing you can apply from here. And in advanced option, there are different options here: margin, padding, width, position, z index, class, IDs. There are a lot of options here. You can explore one by one. Now let's click on update, and then just click on this refresh button, and you can see since we had put a very small button, that's why it is looking a teeny button here. So guys, this is how you can use button in Elementor. Now let's get back here once again. Now let's see another element, and that is divider. Okay, so first let's take one section, and then here we will take this time the divider. Which one? This one. So here you can see now this is the line. Also you can how it will look, double, solid, how will be the width, alignment. So there are a lot of options. The colors, how you can customize the color from here. This is, there are different color, red, blue. Suppose I want to take this blue color. Oh. So you can customize the color as well, and also width. Suppose I'm just putting here 5, your 4, then you can put this kind of divider here. And how will be the gap? Look, you can also specify the gap. Guys, this is useful when you are creating any website. And once again, from here, margin, padding, index, and all that, all the options are there here. Custom class, custom CSS, motion effects, etc., etc. So that was if you want to make it stretch in the full, this one, okay. So this depends upon actually this one. All right, so now let's go to another one, and that is spacer. So suppose you want to keep some space between these two. In that case, you can take any spacer. For example, this one, full width, stretched. Now I want space between these and these. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here and take spacer here. All right, now how much space you need actually? Suppose you need this much space. Now you just drag this above, and then you can see the space between this button and this one has increased. So this is how you can use the spacer. So this was the basic option. Icon I have already shown you. Suppose you need any icon, in that case you can use icon as well from here. If you want to take icon from here, you can insert the icon as well. So these were the basic options. Now suppose you need any slider. In that case, what you will do, I'll just take another one. What happened? Yes, so just type here in search slider. You can see there are two options here. First one is image carousel and second one is slider, text slider. This one is locked. That means what? This one is for advanced version, pro version. So we cannot use this one. We can use this one, of course. So here you can upload the image, whatever I have. Currently I have only one image, that's why. Or else if you have more than one image, then this will be carousel 1 2 3 4 5 like that. And apart from that, you can, there are a lot of customization from here. You can do sliding, thumbnail effect, and slideshow, how many will be there, etc., etc. There are different options here. Now let's take one more, and that one is gallery. So I'll click here and take this one. I'll search here gallery. Once again, there are advanced gallery and there is simple gallery, basic gallery. So advanced gallery is for pro version, and this one is for basic. Remember, I'll be also showing you the pro version later in another video, but in this video I'm going to show you the basic gallery version. So it's very simple. You can upload once again, just like carousel, one by one images it will show you. So let me do one thing. Let me upload few more images so that it will be easier to understand. Let me take these 3 images. Okay, so we have selected this one. Now this is the image gallery. You can also specify here the size. Suppose full, then it will show like this, but it's not good to show full. Let's keep it medium. How many columns will be there? Are 4. And after clicking, where it will go, media file or attached media file, or none, nowhere. So there are different options. Order by, random, how the image will show. If you select here random, then sometimes it will show fast and sometimes it will show fast. So it is like that. In styling version, margin, padding, spacing, you can specify here how much space will be between these two or three galleries. Apart from that, if you type here, a lot of options you can see here, like accordion, tabs, toggle, but few of them are pro version. So whatever you are seeing here, lock, that means that is pro version. Accordion, suppose I want to take accordion, so this accordion, right? Here you can see there is accordion. You can type here, you can add more text. This is heading, text, heading, text. So it is like that. If you need more heading and text, you can use like that. Styling, uh, border color, border width, title, color, icon. You can specify this plus minus icon where you are seeing. Content padding. So there are a lot of options of accordion as well. In advanced option, padding, margin, Z index, etc. etc. You can customize these options as well, the accordion one. In another section of this video, I will show you header and footer, how to customize header and footer. So in the next video, I will show you how to customize header and footer in Elementor.